It was about 4 years ago when I started the whole process. First dentist was horrible. The first set of teeth was horrible. It took me a couple years of research before I found you guys.
Final framework from the Dr. PMMA, okay? Next. Okay. Okay. Good. Side view. Okay. This area just maybe a little bit out. And then make parallel. And yes. Higher. Okay. Good. Then I can get a better retention. That's good. So you can make like this. Here too. No, this side. Turn. Yeah, here, see here? Make like this. Yes, okay, that's good. Now, this one too. Yes, okay. That's good, better, good. And here. That's good. That's good, I like this. And here too, okay. That's good. Everything just like what I said. Same here. Maybe here is out too. So go one by big more. Okay. More. Good. Add it. Yes. And here too. So my cap will be good. One piece I got the better retention. Everything. Okay. No, that was more out. K9 more out. Like here. Yes. That's good. Okay. The other side too. Same thing. What I said. Same thing. This is just center both items 7-star case 6 unit because the patient is going to come here and we'll try. So 4 unit is more suitable. This is 7-star case. It's good, right?
Oh, yeah.
So now we can do the top, and then we can double check with occlusion.
Yeah, sounds good.
Awesome. So, Dr. Amanda, this
Yes.
patient was naturally class 3.
two
Two,
of his
class
upper
two.
jaw. Well, I
Upper
never
jaw.
saw you like this, but from what you, yeah.
How does it feel like? This is first time we trying. Then we can check the occlusion possible, and we can do that before we cement it.
Yeah, it feels much more natural.
Oh, this is way better than Thames.
The only thing that I thought they were all going to be individual on the front, not one solid piece. I know I'm going to notice it. Probably nobody else will ever notice it, but
No.
but I can see where they're connected together. I mean, the bottoms I don't care about, the backs I don't care about because I know for strength that's going to be
Sure.
important. But on the
Sure.
front ones, yeah, is that something that we can change eventually?
Yes, we can make them more defined. So now I'm going to a little bit more define the joint area, so more maybe deeper. Now this is final work. It's a lot of effort with our team from the frame, from PMMA. It's a really tough case. It's finally finishing. Awesome job. Let's make more individual looking, comfortable, fantastic. Let's make it very thin from here to there. This is what we like that. At the top, it's very, very thin. It looks like this, so I'm happy to. Okay, right, gently. Thank you. Beautiful. So now look more individual for you.
Yeah.
Cool. It looks like this. From class 2, class 1.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah. How's the bite feel?
Yeah, it feels
Some
good.
adjustments.
Awesome. You look 10 years younger than before.
That's what he's going for, right?
Right.
That's the goal.
It looks very natural.
Thank you. Pronunciation is better.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You say you're in 4 years?
Yeah, from the start of it, it was about 4 years ago when I started the whole process, and
Oh
then
my God.
the first dentist was horrible, and the first set of teeth was horrible, and then it took me a couple years of research before I found you guys.
So Dr. Morgan did wonderful job.
Very nice job, Luke and LSK.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome.